y'all finna see a whole side of me y'all ain't seen before. And I don't know, I'm excited. Good morning, you guys. It is the top of the morning. It is Tuesday, July the 6th. And yeah, I'm finna get up this morning, go ahead and start my morning walk. And then after that, yeah, we finna get ready for this trip, yeah. Your girl birthday coming up Friday. And I gotta get myself together, because look at me. Just yeah, so we're about to go ahead and prepare for that. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me for this birthday glow up. Yeah. So if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you know next time I upload a video. Don't forget to like and comment down below. Period. But with all that being said, we're about to go ahead and get our morning walk and get our day started, because your girl gotta glow up. I gotta do my wig, I gotta get my toes, my nails done, I gotta get my eyebrows threaded, I gotta go get a wax. It's just a whole lot, y'all. Like, we spend more money getting ready for the trip than probably on the trip itself. So that's crazy. Being a girl is hard out here. It's just hard. So I'm finna quit talking, but I'm finna go ahead on this track and get it in. Alright, you guys, so we are back in the car. Workout is complete. Wet my hair a little bit, put on some clothes. Now we on our way to the mall. We about to meet my mom and my sister at Sephora. Yeah, because I don't know what it is, but my foundation and concealer stuff haven't been blended well. I don't know, because I've been working out in the sun and I've got a little darker. But yeah, so I'm finna go there and try to find me some more foundation, some more concealer, so we can be beat on the trip, period. So let me get off my phone while I'm driving.
You've been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the go. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to.
So yeah, I got the Born This Way. Yeah, this looks so good on my face. Yeah, I'm picking my birthday gift. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Let's go with the little neck. No, thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, yeah, so while we sitting right here waiting, I got stopped by a train. I can go ahead and show y'all what I had got from Sephora. I got my birthday gift from them. And if I don't know if y'all saw, but I was getting they was checking my skin for the right foundation, and I ended up going with Too Faced Born This Way matte look in truffle. And yeah, this is how I look on my jaw. I'm getting right here so y'all can see. And then this was the NARS. I don't know, I might go get the NARS too, just to have two different ones. But yeah, the Born This Way, I love it. It looks so flawless on my cheek right here. But yeah, I love it. So yeah, I got that. And I got my birthday gift, which is the, I've been seeing Kyra talk about this, and yeah, they gave it to me for my birthday, so I got it for free. So the, I don't know how to say it, Langier, I think that's how she said it, Langier lip mask for nighttime, so you can have soft lips. Yeah, so I can't wait to try that, y'all. So I'm picking up my boyfriend for work. He messed up my plans. I was supposed to be getting my feet and nails done right now, but once I finish picking him up, that's what I'm about to go do. Yeah, because y'all know I don't wear nails and stuff for real, but it's my birthday, so why not? And then y'all, when we get home, I'm gonna show y'all the birthday gifts that I bought for myself. Yeah, I turned 27 and I spent $2,700 on myself, period. Because you know, I have kids, so all my money go towards my kids. So being able to spend money on myself is rare, very rare. So that's what I did, y'all, man. I'm gonna show y'all once we get to the house. I'm gonna do like a little unboxing. So yeah. Thank you guys. So it is the next day. As you can tell, your girl is looking different. Yes. So I am preparing to put my wig on for my birthday, y'all. Here you go, right here. I just got done making it, plucking it, bleaching the knots, all that. So get ready and start. Ooh, scalp. Scapiana. So y'all finna go ahead and put this wig on, y'all. And then, as you can tell, I still haven't got my nails on my toes done, so I gotta go do that too. So that's a lot I gotta do. I just got done doing my little sister hair. Can't do nothing for myself, but do stuff for everybody. Like that's how it always is when you going somewhere and you the hairstylist. You always end up doing everybody else's hair patrol home. Yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all do like a fast forward of me with my wig on and stuff. So yeah, to see that.
You've been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you and me too. Promise me it's you now. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it now. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you cool.
Yeah, so my hair is did. I rolled it up, put my elastic band back on. I ain't gonna unroll it till the morning time when it's time for us to get ready, get on the plane. So that's when I take these out and add them to my bag. But yes, she is done. She is gonna be beautiful. I can't wait. Like my skin is like glowing right now, y'all. My birthday is 2 days. Yes, my skin is glowing. Like, what is glow be at all the time? Am I just excited? I'm just happy. Then the skin just popping. I don't know. Y'all tell me. But yes, she's glowing. Hair did, hair laid. I'm so excited. And then I did tell y'all that if y'all read the caption, I spent 2,700 on myself for my 27th birthday. Yes, I did. I spent a bag. So it's like this is my like second real luxury item that I'll ever purchase. Yeah, so I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Yeah, excuse my bag. It got bunched up in the trunk. I'm so upset about that, but yeah. Oh, look at my babies. They are so cute. People was like, these shoes are ugly, but y'all know I'm a sneakerhead, and yeah. Yes, these were so cute to me. And then, of course, yeah, I can't tell you these ain't fine. Oh, with the bucket hat, baby. Quit playing with me. Quit playing. So, yes. These are my 3 luxury items that I bought for myself. I am so excited. So excited. I'm so excited. So, of course, y'all know those shoes are from the new collection. And then these are from the old collection. Don't wrinkle my box up already. I don't know how to treat nothing. So, yeah. Those are my babies. Period. So, I actually got to pack those up in my bag. As y'all can tell, like, excuse all this. Yeah, I have to fit all this inside this suitcase. Then his stuff right here. Like, it's just too much going on. I don't think it's going to fit. So, I'm finna run to my mama house. Like I was saying, I didn't want to keep y'all looking at the floor, but y'all finna run to my mama house. My sister finna let me use her suitcase, because I'm letting him use my suitcase since it, I'm letting him use my suitcase since it is bigger. Then I'm gonna use my sister since she using a duffel bag. So I gotta go do that. Still gotta go get my toes and nails done. So the vlog ain't over yet. Yeah, just stay tuned, yeah, cause it's gonna be a turn up. That's on period, yeah. That's on Mary Had the what? Mary Had Little Lamb, baby. Please, I'm ready to turn up, yeah. I hope y'all ready to turn up with me. Make sure y'all turn y'all post notifications on and subscribe to your channel, because it's about to get litty, baby. Y'all finna see a whole side of me y'all ain't seen before. And I don't know, I'm excited. So with that being said, I'm just guess I'll talk to y'all once I get everything inside my suitcase, and then I get to the nail salon. Then we'll end the vlog right there. So. All right, you guys, good morning. Today is the day. I'm so excited. I just wanted to get on here and close out this vlog and let y'all know the turn up for the get ready to start. We on our way to the 8th and get ready to head to the airport. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I didn't get to show y'all me getting my nails done yesterday because I had a whole bunch of stuff to do. So I ended up getting my nails done. You can see that. I insert the clip in the video, but I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for this turn up because it's coming. Your girl birthday weekend has officially started. We about to get going and get it rolling, baby. Thank you so much for watching. You all have a nice rest of your day.